Good afternoon, grade ones, and very welcome to STEM Digital School coding class. Today is Wednesday, the 29th of July, and I just want to say welcome to all our new students as well. I see every day that our classes are growing, and that is fantastic. It's a fantastic opportunity to help all of you guys and to teach you how to code. One day when you guys are all grown up and big, I would love to see your names, maybe get your signature. If you are a world, everyone in the world knows your name, that you are a good coder. So very welcome. We're going to enjoy today's class. We are still busy with loops with Ray and BB8. Okay, for the new guys, remember when we code, our left and our right is going to change depending on where your character is looking, okay? So you can see this little boy on the screen. If he's looking at me, I circled his left hand, but if he's turning away from me and he is standing with his back toward me, his left hand will be on the other side. So you can see on the picture, sometimes left is this side and sometimes left is the other side, depending on where the character is looking, okay? So it's not the same as south and east and west and all of those directions that we did previously. Okay, so let's quickly practice this one that we do every day. The more you guys do it, the better you'll understand it, okay? If we look at BB8's picture here, do you see there? Let me just change this to a pen. I'm going to circle his eye, the new guys. The guys who are always here, you already know. There's BB8's eye. So that means he's looking this way. Okay. So when we say turn left, BB8 is going to turn up. Okay. Now, if we look at this picture on this side, do you see BB8's eye? It's this side. So he's looking here where my pen is. So when we say turn left, it means BB8 is now going to turn down. Okay, so you can pretend that you are looking, you can turn your body, that you are looking the same way that BB8 is looking, and you will see where your left hand is. If you say turn left, you'll see it's going to be this direction, okay? Now let's look at this one. Here, BB8 is standing with his back toward us. So he's facing up, okay? When we say turn left, he is going to turn this way. And then the last one, if BB8 is looking straight at you, there is his one eye, so he's looking at you. If he's looking at you and we say turn left, it means he is going in this direction, opposite than your left hand. Your left hand is on this side, okay? But when BB8 is looking at you, his left side is here. Now quickly, let's look at the right hand. Again, we'll start this side. BB8 is facing this way. So if we say turn right, it means he's going down. Remember, if we say turn left, it means he's going up. If we say turn right, he's going down. The next one, if we look at BB8 here, he's looking this way. So if we say turn right, it means he is going to move up. Okay, guys, just stop quickly because I see all of you are writing in your chat box BB8. Every time that you write on your chat in your chat box, it pops up on my screen. So please just keep it related to what we are talking about. If I ask you a question, you can type. Otherwise, I am going to change the chat that you can only talk to me and not to each other, okay? So let's stick to the rules so that we can really enjoy our coding class. The next one, here BB8 is standing with his back towards you. So when we say turn right, it's going to be in the same direction that your right hand is. And then the very last one, when BB8 is looking at you, then right will be this way. Why are all of you typing in the chat box BB8? I am now going to change the settings so that you cannot talk to each other. Okay. Like I said, we are busy with lesson 6. We will do puzzle 7, 8, and 9 today. Again, for those who are new, this is Ray, and this little robot is BB8. So here is a nice big picture. You can see exactly what it looks like. Here's his eye. So when you see his eye this way, then you know he's looking at you. Okay. Now I gave you some homework yesterday, and I want to give a very big shout out to Lovewear, Nasha, and Ria. I know there might be someone else who also handed in homework. I might have only received it after I did this presentation for you. So if I did not put your name in here, then I will do it on your slideshow for tomorrow. Okay, but very, very well done to those of you who did your homework. It's always nice receiving emails from you guys, and it's very nice to see just how clever you are. Okay, let's quickly have a look at puzzle 7. Okay, puzzle 7, you will see that BB8 needs to move forward first, and then he's going to turn. Okay, so you see where his eyes looking? He's looking at you. So remember, if he is looking at you, that means this side is his left side and this side is his right side. So I'm going to write an L here, and on this side an R. This is right, this is left. Okay, so I wrote here the best solution uses a single move forward. One move forward, then a turn. So if you move forward, you'll say move forward. And which way is this? Just look at this letter. He needs to turn right. Then you can use a loop. Now remember, when we use a loop, it means that we are going to use a repeat block. Okay. Let's quickly see how many move forwards will you put in that repeat block. So remember, if he moved forward, we're already standing on this one. Then he's going to turn, and then he'll move forward again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you guys can put a 5 in the repeat block. Then grade 1s, just a reminder, please keep your videos off. Don't switch them on during class time. Okay, I know sometimes you slip with your finger. You click a button and that is okay, but be careful and try not to switch your videos on during class. Okay, let's go on to puzzle 8. Puzzle 8 is going to ask you, can you get it all? It says, loops even work with more than one block inside. Now, most of you already know this. So here's a sequence, and they're asking, can you loop the sequence? So BB8 is going to walk this way. He's already facing the right direction. Then he's going to turn, walk this way. He's going to turn and walk this way. You can already see there are 3 moves here and a turn, 3 moves here and a turn, then 2, or you can even do 3 moves. So maybe just think about it. You can use a loop and just have 3 moves in or 2 moves inside the loop. Okay. Puzzle 9 looks like this. And your instructions will say, can you try to get all the scrap metal using just one loop? That means you're going to use one repeat block. You have to put something inside that repeat block for BB8 to get all the scrap metal. Do you think that's a hard question or a hard puzzle to solve? Because I think it looks hard if you just look at it like that. But after you guys try and you do it and you solve it, you're going to see how easy it really was. It just looks hard. Okay. Now I gave you a hint. Look for a pattern that you can repeat. Yeah, I drew a pattern for you. Look there. BB's going to move forward. BB8. Move forward, turn, move forward. Okay. There's the next pattern. It's exactly the same. And the next one. And the next one. And the next one. So do you see this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 patterns here. Okay, so you are going to use a repeat loop and only code the first pattern inside the repeat loop. And then you will do it 5 times. So when we go over to code.org, remember what I just said, then you guys can do it very easily. Let's quickly look at repeat blocks again with BB8. Remember I told you just now that we can put more than one block inside a repeat block. So look here, we use a move forward and a turn right. And that is the same as this. We said do it 3 times. Sorry, just inside the loop is 3 times. Here's number 1, move forward and turn. That's 1 time. The next one, move forward and turn. That's the second one. And then the third one, move forward and turn. Do you see it's the same thing? Move forward, turn right. Move forward, turn right. Move forward, turn right. So both of these blocks are repeated 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So instead of using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks, we can use 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. Okay, so we always try to find the least amount of blocks that we can use. Let's quickly get to this part where you guys code for me on a map. I see I already have some hands up here. Let me just show you where the dot is, or the circle. This time it's on this pirate down here who is fighting with the snake, and he needs to get to the mermaid. So you guys, he's facing this way. He's facing west. Okay, so if you say move forward, it means he is going this way. So let's quickly see whose hand is up first, and then I will unmute you. Abongiwe, I'm going to unmute you.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Abongiwe, how are you doing?
Fine, ma'am.
That's very good. Okay, can you quickly help me to code this map?
Yes,
I'm going
ma'am.
to draw what you say, okay? Where should I go first?
How to move forward?
Okay, how many blocks?
3 times.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then we'll end up here. What do you want to do now?
I want you to go.
Do you want to turn here?
No.
You want to go forward one more?
No, ma'am.
What do you want to do?
I wanna do move right up.
Okay, that's right. If you want to go up, you're going to turn right. Okay, so now you have to move forward again. How many blocks?
5 times.
1, 2, 3. Oh, if you move 5 times, I'm going to go over the screen. So 3 was enough. Okay.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So which way do we need to turn now to get to the mermaid?
Left.
Very good. We're going to turn left, and then how many moves or move forwards do we need to get there?
Once.
Very, very good. Well done. And move forward, and there we go. Abagiwe, you did a great job. Thank you so much for helping us. I'm going to mute you again. Thank you. Okay, you guys see what happened here? We went move forward, we turned right, and then we went move forward again, and then we turned left. Okay. I'm going to give, let me just erase that, and then I'll put the next one on. Then you guys can code that for me as well.
I wanted to ask you something also.
Yes? Okay, what do you want to ask?
At September of 7 days of the week, me and my mom and my sister are gonna make a cake, and my dad is gonna make a cupcake.
Wow, you're lucky.
And my mom is gonna add sprinkles on the cake.
Oh, wow, that's going to be nice. Is it your birthday?
No, only on
Yes?
September. I mean, not
Okay.
September.
When? August.
No, that's my daddy's birthday.
Okay, well, you must have fun when you make cake and cupcakes, okay?
Okay, it's like after Friday.
Oh, wow, you probably can't wait. Only a couple of days. Okay, Apungiwe, I'm going to mute you quickly so that we can carry on with our map, okay? Aliyah, I'm going to unmute you. Hi, Aliyah. Aliyah, are you there? Aliyah, do you know what yeah, okay, there you are. How are you? Hi. Aliyah, can you see this first red dot? Do you see the red dot here by the tree house?
Yeah.
Okay, now this dot has to move all the way to this one here close to the water. So if it's facing this way, how are you going to code it? Can you help me? Right.
Forward.
How many blocks?
You must go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and turn.
Good,
Then
Aliyah.
on the right.
Wow, very
On
good.
the dot.
You have to move forward after you turn right, and that is excellent. Very well done, Aliyah. You are getting really to know your left and your right. I'm very proud of you. Okay, I'm quickly going to mute you. Very well done. Okay, now let's move on to our coding platform. Are you guys ready? I'm going to share my other screen with you. And then I will give you the link in your chat box. This is lesson 6, Loops with Ray and BB8. We are on puzzle number 7. And guys, I just want to remind you, please stop putting your camera on. Do you know what's going to happen if you put your camera on all the time? We have a host that's helping me, and that host is going to remove you from the class. Then you can't attend class today. Okay, so you guys are going to have to just switch off your cameras. Don't put it on. He will remove you. Then you can't get into class anymore, okay? And I don't want that to happen. So all of us, keep your videos off, your cameras off, okay? Let's quickly look at this code. I'm going to ask one of you to help me. But I first want you, are all of you in? Just tell me if you are in. Oh, sorry guys, do you know what? I didn't send the link to all of you. I'm so sorry. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay, so you guys can click on the link, open a screen, a second screen. I think most of you already know how to do this, and then we can start coding. I'm going to give you about 30 seconds. Samara's in, Nathan is in. Oh, Samara, you're not in. Ria is in. Going to give you about 20 seconds more. Remember that you can open two screens next to each other, two tabs. You can have mine open and yours as well. Okay, let's carry on. Now I'm going to see whose hands are raised, and you have to help me to code this one. I see Ria, your hand is raised. I'm going to unmute you. Hi, Ria.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm fine, thank you. Okay, Ria, can you help me? What is the first move that we are going to do here?
Move forward.
Okay, let's put a move. Do you guys see we can only move forward twice? That means we're going to have to use a loop, a repeat block. Okay, move forward, and then BB8 needs to turn. So Ria, can you tell me which way?
Right.
Let's say turn right. Okay, and after that, what are we going to do?
Take the repeat button.
Yes.
Move forward.
Okay, there's our last move forward that we can use. Now it's 0. How many times do you want to do that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, I think.
1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do it 5 times. Let's see what's going to happen. I see it already says 5. Okay. I can hear your BB8. I'm going to run mine. It's turning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is perfect. Ria, very, very well done. Going to meet you again, okay? That was fantastic. Did you guys see? And here they say, if you look here, it says workspace, 5 blocks. So that the first number is, we used 5 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they only want us to use 5 blocks. So we did a perfect job. Well, Ria did a perfect job, but I'm sure a lot of you did it the right way. Okay, let's reset. Let's look at it again one more time. Move forward, turn right, move 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, I'm going to continue to puzzle 8. It's a bit slow. Do you see that? Okay, let me make it bigger here. Do you see that they've already given us code here? Okay, they've given us 4 blue blocks to work with. Now, if you look at Ray up here, she is saying, BB8, can you get it all? She wants BB8 to get all of the scrap metal. Now, remember what I said before we came to code.org? I said that loops can even work with more than one block inside. Let's see if we can loop the sequence. Now, let's run it to see what the code they've already given us. There are 3 move forwards and 1 turn right. There goes BB8. 1, 2, 3 move forward and 1 turn right. Now it's going to move forward again. Do you see that? And then it's going to turn again. And then it's going to move forward again. So who can help me to solve this puzzle? I am going to unmute Faith, but I don't know if your name is Faith. I can't remember. Can you unmute on your side? Faith? No? Okay, let me try someone else. Leo. Leo, can you unmute? Hi. How are you? Okay, Leo, can you go a little bit closer to your microphone so I can hear you more clearly? Or you have to speak a little bit louder, okay? Okay, what do you want me to do?
Upside.
Okay. And then? Do you want me to move this away?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what should I put there?
Put the move forward.
Like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then?
Then you put
How many times?
2 times.
1, 2. Okay, and then what?
Then you let it go up.
Okay, so up is also, oh, 1, 2, but do you see before we go up, we have to move one more. Okay, so we're going to have to move 1, 2, 3 times. Do you see that? Look, if I run it, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now BB8 needs to turn up. Which way is up? Is it left or is it right? Do you know?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's try to turn left and see what BB8 does. Oh, turn left is turning the wrong way, is looking at me. So I'm just going to change that and say turn right. Okay. Thank you, Leo. I'm going to mute you again quickly. Now, do you guys see what Leo just did? He writes another code, but it's exactly the same as this one. Okay. So let's see what happens if we put both of them together. Let's run it. Move forward, move forward, move forward, turn right. Move forward, move forward, move forward, turn right. Oh, wow, we've already written a lot of our code. I'm going to ask Bushle, I'm going to unmute you. Hi. Bushle, are you there?
Yes.
How are you?
Fine.
Good. Okay. Do you know what? I didn't put your name and you sent your homework and I didn't put your name on the slideshow. Did you see that?
Yes.
I'm sorry about that. I'm going to have to put your name in tomorrow twice. So you will have to get 2 stars if you sent me your homework today. That's the first time ever someone will get 2 stars. So if you send your homework to me today, tomorrow I'll give you 2 stars, okay?
Okay.
Because I know I received your homework. I saw what you did. I'm very proud of you. Okay, but can you help me to quickly finish this code? What should we do?
Yes.
Okay,
Excuse me.
say again.
Excuse me. What did you say?
I said, how are we going to finish this code? Can you help me to finish it?
Oh, yeah. Okay, but
Okay.
there's one mistake. Now
Okay.
you can't use the move forward.
Should I move forward now?
No, just
As I take this
the
away.
repeat.
Aha, you clever. And then do I put the repeat right at the top?
Yes.
Okay, let's put it there. What do I put inside the repeat?
You put one of those left outs inside.
Aha, all of them, like that.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so how many times does this have to repeat?
7 times.
I'm going to put it 7 times. And Bushley, do I need this code now or can I throw it away?
You will need it.
Why? Because it's the same as this and I put a repeat, you see. Okay, so I'm going to throw it away. Okay, now look here quickly. We said 7 times. I'm going to run it. Forward, 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 turn. Forward, 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 turn. That's 2. Oh, do you know what happened?
No.
We said too many times here. We said 7, but look here quickly. This code, it's going to do all 4 blocks 7 times. So I think 7 is too high. Look here. Move forward. Can you see my mouse? I'm going to show you exactly what's going to happen. Move forward, move forward, move forward, turn right. Okay, that's 1 time. Now let's do it again. Move forward, move forward, move forward, turn right. That's 2 times. Now we're going to do it a 3rd time. Move forward, move forward, move forward, turn right. Do you see that we don't need 7 times? We only need 3 times.
Oh.
Okay, so I'm going to change it to 3. Now look what happens. Because remember, it's going to do all 4 of these blue blocks 4 times, okay? There goes BB8. Turn right, move forward, move forward, move forward, turn right, move forward, move forward. There he got all the blocks. Very, very well done to you and to all of you who helped to code. Kabusha, I'm going to mute you again. Okay, did you guys see what happened there? Do you understand how this works? We are going to do some more practice on loops and on repeat blocks. Okay, let's quickly just look at what the next puzzle looked like, and then I'm going to go over to my other screen again. Ooh, look at this one. It looks hard. Remember when we did when I showed you my PowerPoint? This puzzle looks hard, but it's not really so hard. This is the one where you can use 1 loop with 3 things inside of it. Okay, let me quickly show you on my PowerPoint again. Remember this now? I'm going to share this with you again. Now look here. Do you remember? This is that same puzzle. So look here. You are going to go forward, turn right, move forward. Then you'll do it again. Move forward, turn right, move forward. Then again, move forward, turn right, move forward. Again, move forward, turn right, move forward. And the last time, move forward, turn right, move forward. So you see, you're going to use move forward, turn right, move forward. Those 3 blue blocks, you can put in a repeat block. And then the repeat has to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Now we are going to look at this puzzle again tomorrow, okay? You can go and try number 9 on your own. If you cannot get it right, don't worry about it. It's just for practice for you guys, okay? To challenge you a little bit. We will do it in class again tomorrow. So, but go try it and then take a picture of your code and send it to me. There is my email address. And Bushle, if you send me yours, I will remember to give you 2 stars tomorrow. For those of you, if I didn't put your name in our slideshow today, maybe I just looked at certain times at my email and I didn't see your email, but I will have a look again today. So if your name was missing today, you can send me an email or I will just go check and put your name in for tomorrow. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for coding with me. It's always a pleasure. It's always such a pleasure and an honor to see what you guys are doing. I will see all of you tomorrow. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.